Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how the Monzo loan works. So let's get started. A Monzo loan is a personal loan that you can apply for through the Monzo app if you're eligible. It can be used for a variety of purposes, such as paying off debt, home improvements, or personal purchases. With a Monzo personal loan, you can borrow up to £25,000. The interest rate varies depending on the amount you borrow. You'll have a fixed monthly repayment, and you can choose your repayment term. A longer term lowers the monthly payment but increases total interest. You can also repay early or make extra payments without any fees. Monzo allows you to select the day of the month for repayments and change it if needed. Keep in mind that Monzo will perform a hard credit check when you apply. To get started, log into the Monzo app and go to the borrowing section. Check your eligibility and select the loan amount you want. If approved, the loan application is processed directly in the app, making it very convenient. Once your loan is active, repayments are automatically debited from your Monzo current account on the agreed date. If a payment is missed, Monzo will remind you and you can catch up via the app. Missed payments may be reported to credit agencies, which can affect your credit score. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.